Good afternoon to all. A very warm welcome. Previous class, we already discussed about the main basics of gym. Okay, we created a poster. Okay, in that poster, we create logo and we add background based on background blend tool. Okay, we insert the text. Okay, let's open that poster, that is child labor ninth dot xcf. What do you mean by xcf? Yes, experimental computing facility, the default image format of gym software. Okay, let's open this file. Yes, this is the poster, World Day Against Child Labor. Okay, today's class we are discussing about some tools in gym software. Okay, the tools are path tool, flip tool, filter tool, that is blur, then change the picture clarity, at last exporting an xcf image to jpg, png or other format. As we already studied in your 8th standard, right? Exporting the images. Okay, first open an image in gym software. Okay, we are using path tool. First section, file, open, then file, open, go to home folder, school resources, open the folder standard 9, then open images folder, right? In that folder, select a picture. Okay, using path tool, select a part of this picture. Okay, in this picture we can select the that boys part. Okay, using path tool. This is path tool for create and edit paths. Shortcut key is B. Click on paths tool, then click on that picture. First click on that picture like this, only that part of picture, and at last uh, press and hold the control key. Okay, press and hold the control key and just press the initial point, starting point. Okay, then go to menu bar, select the select menu. In that menu, from path. Okay, okay, the part is the part of that picture is selected. Then just copy the picture, go to edit and copy. Okay, edit and copy this poster, edit, paste. Okay, this is only that floating selection tool, temporary layer. Okay, there is a tool for anchor the floating layer. If you anchor the floating layer, you can't change the that picture, you can't modify that picture individually. Okay, so you go to layer 2, new layer. Okay, that is a separate, that is separated layer, pasted layer. Okay, then using move tool, you can move this picture like this, and you can use scale tool for changing the size of that picture. Okay, in that layer you can rename the layer. Click on right button, edit layer attributes. You can rename the layer child labor. Okay, okay, using path tool, we already separate that part of that picture and it paste in uh, in our poster. Okay, then next is flip tool, flipping images. Okay, before you flipping images, please take a duplicate. Click on duplicate a layer, duplicate a picture. Here child labor. Okay, right click on child labor and duplicate layer. Okay, child labor copy. There is a new layer, child labor copy. Yes, then click on move tool. You can move the layer and you can resize. Okay, then go to this flip tool. Okay, click on that flip tool and click on that picture, selected layer picture. Okay, this is for system is very slow, that's why. Okay, you can see after clicking flipping flip tool, then click on that picture. Okay, the image is flipped, image is flipped to either sides, right? That is flip tool. Then next is changing the picture clarity. Okay, changing the picture clarity. For that, make a duplicate of that picture. You would like to change the clarity. Okay, first you select a layer. Okay, we can select child labor copy. Okay, then click on colors menu, brightness and contrast. Okay, there is a box, we can change the size. Okay, we can see the changes in that layer. Okay, okay, you can see the changes after clicking that brightness contrast button, right? That is changing the picture clarity. Okay, okay, next is filter tool. Before doing that activity, uh, okay, you must write the notes of this chapter. Okay, theory section, like one word questions. Example, what is the full form of gym? Then what do you mean by XCF? The image, default image file format of gym. How can we open gym? Like short questions. Okay, then the steps of practical section. Okay, how can we add background in a canvas? And the steps, only that steps. Okay, then how can we create a canvas in gym? Okay. Okay, let's move on to another section, filter tool. Okay, filter tool means blur tool. In filter menu, blur tool, first you select a particular layer. Here we can select child labor layer. Select the layer which includes the picture that you have to blur. Okay, click on the layer which has the picture in the layer palette. Here, child labor. We can use the selection tool also for select a particular portion of that picture to be blurred. Okay, then go to filter menu, filters menu, blur, any blur effect. Here, focus blur. We can see the picture. Here, you can change the value. We can see the difference. Blurred that portion of that picture, that layer child labor. That is simply blur tool. Okay. The last section is exporting the XCF file into PNG and JPG formats. Okay. For that, click on File menu, Export and Export as. Save as meaning. Okay. Export as. Click on that Export as. Already here name is child labor ninth.png. Okay. Already we can change the file XCF to PNG. Here the extension is PNG. Okay. Then click on Export. Here I am saving in desktop. Okay. Export. Click on that export menu. After that, a message. Okay. Export image as PNG. Then click on export. After loading this, we can see the PNG image in the desktop of the file name child labor ninth. Child labor ninth.png. Like this way, we can export the XCF file to JPG file. Okay, this very one of the important question in your practical section for exporting the XCF file to PNG and JPG. Okay, last finishing the exporting. After finishing exporting, you can minimize the window and see the PNG file in your desktop. Okay, yes, childlabor.png. Here you can see the properties, size, type .png and file size, etc. Okay, we created the PNG image and file export as. For JPG creation, for exporting the JPG, select file type by extension. Okay, click on that and select JPG from this list. Yes, JPG image. Click on that JPG image. Okay, the extension is changed. You can see the extension is changed, PNG to JPG. Okay, then click on export. Export. You can see the child labor ninth.jpg. Here JPG raster data. It is JPG type and the file size and size of that picture. Okay, like this way we can export the file format. Okay, in the last page of this chapter, you can see, let's evaluate. The first question is, open a canvas in GIMP, paste a picture and anchor it. But when you try to move the pasted image, it moves along with the background. What could be the reason for this? Okay, the options: A, the picture did not get pasted on the canvas, Option B, the picture was pasted on the background of the canvas. Option C, the move tool did not function properly. Option D, the picture format did not support the process. Okay, the answer is option B, the picture was pasted on the background of the canvas. Okay, what's the question? Open a canvas engine, paste a picture and anchor it. Okay, previous class we already discussed the anchor tool. Okay, temporary layer, that is floating layer. After creating the floating layer, we have to create new layer. Don't click on anchor, because by clicking that anchor tool, the picture was pasted on the background of the canvas. Okay, after that we cannot change that we cannot modify that picture individually. Okay, then next is a practical section. Prepare a banner to be held, a rally to be organized in connection with the proclamation procession of the World Environment Day. Include the details given below and save it in your folder. It's a practical activity. Okay, there's a bit difficult. There's a little difficult in doing that activity, practice section activity in home. Okay, facilities. Okay, we can do much more better after opening school. Okay, then the third, from the procedures given below, choose the correct one which is used to rename a layer in G. Option A, click on the canvas. B, click on the layer palette. C, right click on the layer. D, click on the floating layer. What's the answer? Yes, the answer is right click on the layer. After clicking that right click on the layer, you can see edit layer attributes option. Okay, after that we can rename the layer. Fourth one is also an practical activity. Design a poster using GIMP to create awareness about the importance of organ donation. Organ donation. Okay. Okay. This is your first chapter, layout of pictures. Okay. All of you must prepare the notes of this chapter, theory section and steps of practical section also. Next class we can start the our next chapter, setting the page. Okay, all of you read the next chapter. Okay, thank you all and study well. Goodbye.